Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert Spaylater into GCash. Alright, let's begin. First, the first thing you need to do is find the QR code of the merchant. Head to your nearest store or merchant and ask if they offer cash outs. If they do, request their GCash merchant QR code. Once you have the QR code, tap the home button on your device and select the Scan QR code option. Then, scan the merchant's QR code. After scanning, you should see a prompt on your screen. Next, enter the amount you want to pay. For example, if you want to enter 500 pesos, type that amount in and click the next button. At this point, you will have two options, wallet balance or Spaylater. In my case, I will select Spaylater. Once you've made your selection, hit the Pay Now button. After completing these steps, your transaction should be processed successfully. So that's basically how you can convert Spaylater into GCash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!